So Valley's a registered 501c3 nonprofit. We were founded in 2017. Our mission is to help sustainable small apparel brands build and grow their brands with resources such as production services, studio rentals, educational workshops, and hourly rentals on our facility. Sustainability is important to Snow Valley, and it has been since we were founded. It's been a core value of ours since the beginning, not only in the operation of the organization, but as well as the values that we hope to teach our employees as well as our clients in their daily operation.
We have the unique opportunity to work with clients who are just getting started building their brands. And so we get to put sustainability into their mindset from the get-go. We do this in a few different ways, from sourcing fabrics and other materials. We try and encourage them to think about the fabric contents and how they're made, encouraging them to just eliminate waste, producing less.
Sustainability is such a large umbrella that there's so many different things that you could be doing to achieve a sustainable or an ethical brand. So we always tell our clients to start with something they're really passionate about and focus on that in the beginning. You always have room to grow, so there's always things you can improve on as you go, but you have to start somewhere. Not everyone's passionate about the same parts of sustainability. So we are here to help encourage whichever parts make sense for their brand and help better educate them to improve their goals.